In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Otter.AI with Google Meets so your meetings are automatically transcribed and easy to review later. We'll move step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get Otter set up, connected, and recording without extra work during your calls. First, you'll need to open Otter.ai. You can do this in any modern web browser. In the address bar, type in the Otter.ai website and press enter. When the page loads, either sign in to your existing account or create a new one if you've never used Otter before. If you're creating a new account, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish setting it up. Once you're signed in, you should land on your Otter home or workspace page, where you'll see options for conversations, recordings, and settings. Next, you'll connect your Google account, look for your account menu or settings, usually represented by your profile picture or initials in the top corner. Open that and then find the section related to apps, integrations, or calendar syncing. There you should see an option to connect Google or to sync with Google Calendar. Click that and Otter will open a Google sign-in window or a permission screen. Choose the Google account you use for your meetings, then review the permissions Otter is requesting. These typically include access to your calendar and basic profile information, which Otter needs so it can see when your meetings are scheduled. When you're comfortable with the permissions, approve the connection to finish linking your Google account to Otter. Once your Google account is connected, the next step is to enable Meeting Sync. This is what lets Otter scan your Google Calendar for upcoming Google Meet events and automatically prepare to join them. In the same integration or calendar settings area, look for a toggle or option labeled something like Calendar Sync, Auto Join Meetings, or Sync Meetings. Turn this on. Otter may give you a brief explanation of how syncing works and which events it will track. Take a moment to confirm that the correct Google Calendar is selected, especially if you use more than one. After syncing is enabled, Otter will start pulling in your scheduled meetings so it can automatically record them when they begin. Now you're ready to join your Google Meet. Go to your Google Calendar, find the event you've scheduled, and click the Google Meet link at the scheduled time. Join the meeting as you normally would, either in the browser or through any supported app. Make sure your audio is working correctly, because Otter will rely on what it can hear from the meeting to create an accurate transcript. You don't need to open Otter in a separate tab unless you want to monitor the live notes. With everything set up, Otter records automatically. When the meeting starts, Otter will detect the synced event and begin capturing audio and generating live notes tied to that Google Meet session. You don't have to press any extra buttons to start recording. After the meeting ends, Otter will finalize the transcript and save it in your Otter workspace. You can then open it to review what was said, search for specific keywords, edit any mistakes, and share the notes with teammates who need them. That's all you need to use Otter.ai with Google Meet. Open Otter, connect your Google account, enable Meeting Sync, join your meeting, and let Otter handle the recording automatically.